Hey, cat lovers, this is your daily dose of cat.
Hi, are we hungry?
What do they
Nagustuhan to ni Kuya Kira. Hoy! Hindi yan totoo! Ba't mo dinidila-dilaan yan? Okay, ready na yung kanyang costume para sa Halloween. Kaya magti-trick or treat siya.
That's today's dose. Which one's your favorite?